Is your Delta shower head constantly dripping after you turn the water off? Or does your tub spout keep leaking no matter how tightly you close the handle? In most cases, the problem isn't the entire faucet. It's a worn-out shower cartridge. The good news is that replacing it is a repair many homeowners can do with a few basic tools, saving hundreds of dollars on a plumbing service call. In today's video, I'll walk you through the complete replacement process, show you how to identify the correct Delta cartridge, and share a few professional tips to make the job easier. Let's get started. Step 1. Turn off the water. Before removing any parts, shut off the main water supply to your home or the dedicated shutoff for bathroom. Next, open the shower valve completely to relieve any pressure left inside the plumbing. This prevents unexpected water from spraying out when the cartridge is removed. Always confirm the water is completely off before moving to the next step. Step 2. Remove the handle. If you have the metal style handle, a lot of times it'll have an Allen head screw underneath the handle. So just small screwdriver, old, knife, and pry that off. And then it'll be a Phillips head screw right in the center holding the acrylic one on, and then just pulls off. Once the sleeve is removed, you'll see the large brass bonnet nut that secures the cartridge inside the valve body. Step 3. Remove the bonnet nut. Use a pipe wrench whenever possible instead of adjustable pliers. A pipe wrench grips without crushing the brass bonnet nut, reducing the risk of damaging it. Turn the bonnet nut counterclockwise and remove it carefully. If it's stuck because of mineral deposits, apply penetrating oil and allow it to soak for several minutes before trying again. Step 4. Remove the old cartridge. Grip the cartridge firmly and pull it straight out while gently rocking it from side to side. If it refuses to move, a cartridge puller may be required. Don't worry if a little water drains out. That's completely normal. Once removed, compare the old cartridge with the replacement to ensure they match. Delta commonly uses cartridges such as RP19804 and RP46074, depending on the valve model. Step 5. Prepare the new cartridge. Before installation, apply a thin layer of plumber silicone grease to all rubber O-rings. This helps the cartridge slide into the valve smoothly and protects the seals. Locate the H marking on the cartridge. The H must face the left side, which is a hot water supply. Installing it backwards will reverse your hot and cold water. Step 6. Install the cartridge. Align the tabs on the cartridge with the matching slots inside the valve body. Push the cartridge in until it seats completely. If necessary, wiggle it slightly while applying steady pressure. Reinstall the bonnet nut by hand first to avoid cross-threading. Once fully threaded, tighten it snugly with the pipe wrench. Avoid over-tightening. Step 7. Test for leaks. Turn the home's water supply back on. Before reinstalling the trim and handle, inspect around the cartridge and bonnet nut for leaks. Operate the shower through the full hot and cold range. Make sure the dripping has stopped and the hot water works correctly. If the temperature is reversed, remove the cartridge and reinstall it with the H facing left. Step 8. Adjust the maximum water temperature. Most Delta cartridges include an anti-scald temperature limit stop. Pull the adjustment ring outward and rotate it slightly. Turning it toward the hot side allows the handle to rotate farther, increasing maximum water temperature. Adjust it carefully, especially if children or older adults use a shower. Step 9. Reassemble everything. Slide the decorative sleeve back into place. Install the handle. Tighten the retaining screw until snug. Replace the decorative cap if your model has one. Test the shower one final time. Confirm everything operates smoothly with no leaks. Final tips. If your old cartridge breaks during removal, carefully remove every broken piece before installing the replacement. Flush the valve body briefly to remove any debris. If you remove the trim plate, apply fresh silicone caulk around the top and sides before reinstalling it to prevent water from entering the wall. That simple step can help prevent expensive water damage in the future. That's it. You've successfully replaced your Delta shower cartridge and stopped that annoying leak while saving the cost of a professional repair. If this guide helped you, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to FlowFit DIY, and turn on notifications for more plumbing repairs, DIY home maintenance tips, and money-saving tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.